Polycam, 3D scans and floor plans, is for people who want to scan rooms, apartments, or objects and turn them into 3D models or floor plans straight from their phone. And yeah, it actually feels kind of crazy the first time it works. You can walk around a space, and it builds a full 3D layout with measurements, which is super useful for real estate, design, or just planning stuff. A lot of users say it's easy and surprisingly accurate for casual use, even close enough for basic modeling. But real talk, it's not perfect. Accuracy can drift, especially on bigger scans, and some people say it crashes or ruins scans halfway through. Also, it gets expensive. Most serious features and exports are locked behind subscriptions. Not a scam, just limited and inconsistent. Worth it for quick scans, not professional level work. Disclaimer: based on App Store info, reviews, and user feedback, your experience may vary depending on device, space size,